Hello student, let's try to understand a problem. Student, what is the problem? 0.257 gram of an organic compound was heated with concentrated H2 SO4, then distilled with strong alkali. The ammonia gas evolved was absorbed in 50 ml m by 10 HCl, which required 23.2 ml m by 10 NaOH. For the neutralisation, at the end of the process, determine the percentage nitrogen in the compound. So what is the percentage nitrogen, student? This is 14 into what is there, student, NRVR, into what is there, student, 100, divided by what will come, student, 1000. Now student, with the formula you can simplify, that is 2020, so it will come, student, 1.4, and here is mass of OC is also there. Mass of OC will also be there, organic compound. OC means mass of organic compound. So here 1.4 into what will come, NRVR, divided by what, mass of OC. So it is very simple, student. This way you can calculate the percentage nitrogen. Now how to calculate NRVR, student? So it can be calculated very easily. NRVR means that is N acid V acid minus N base and V base. Student, what are the acid here they have used, student? This is the 50 ml. This is the 50 ml m by 10. So m by 10 HCl is there. So molarity is equal to, they have given, student, see, first of all let us write, right, so that it can be, so VA acid they are given 50 ml, okay, this is 50 ml. Then what is other things given? Molarity is given, MA 1 by 10, VB how much they given, 23.2, MB how much given, student, 1 by 10. This is the NaOH, this is HCl. Now so here molarity is equal to, even if we are talking about normality, so N into molarity. So for the HCl, N factor is 1, student. So normality it will come Na, here will come N factor 1, H 1 by 10. So it will come automatically 1 by 10 normal. Here is NB, student, this is also same formula, N factor into molarity. N factor is going to be 1 and molarity is going to be 1 by 10. So it is again going to be 1 by 10. Now the concept they are saying NRVR. So what is going to come? So normality of acid, with this formula we are placing the normality of acid 1 by 10, okay, volume of acid 50, this is 50. Now minus normality 1 by 10, volume 23.2, solve it. With 1010 it is cancel out, so 5 minus it will be cancel out 2.32. Now subtract, student, if you are subtracting 2.32 minus 5, so let me do, student. So 2.68 coming, student, 2.68, right? So this is, now percentage nitrogen, student, it will be 1.4 into NRVR 2.68 divided by mass of OC. This formula down one we are using. So mass of OC 0.257, 0.257, this is there, 0.257. Now solve it, student. 2.68 multiply by 1.4 is equal to, divided by 0.257. So it is coming, student, 14.599 percentage. So percentage nitrogen is equal to how much, student? 14.6%. So this is our required answer. Only you need to follow the each steps and you will be able to get the answer. Thank you.